Hello folks, welcome back. I'm now joined by Romas Kravelis from the Schulich UAV group. Now tell me a little bit, Romas, if you would, about Schulich UAV. There's a lot going on over there.
Yeah. All right, we're a student group at the University of Calgary, and we're building drones.
Yeah. Drones, UAVs, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we have a few main things that we do in the club. The first one being we work on various projects.
Okay.
Like this drone here that you see.
Yeah, let's try and get a shot of that drone. So here's the drones
Yeah.
we've been discussing all show. There is a student built, I assume.
Yeah.
Drone, cool.
This is a student-built drone. We're also designing a much smaller version that you can fly with your phone, and you can build it yourself.
Interesting.
Yeah. We're also building a big, massive drone for a competition in Australia.
Okay.
We'll be going to it in September.
Yeah.
And it'll be for search and rescue.
Interesting.
So we also do workshops and presentations at schools and summer camps.
Wow. So you guys are into this big time.
Yeah.
So how many people are in the group? And what's
We
the
have-
age variance in the group?
We have about 50 members now.
Oh, okay.
And we've been around for a year, so we've grown really quickly. We have members from around 15 to 50.
15 years old to
Yeah.
50. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we have a wide range of members.
It sounds like it's an all-inclusive group. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, definitely. Everybody's welcome.
So then what are the main components? I'm looking at this here. Obviously, I can see there's 4 propellers. Yeah, maybe you want to hold that up. So I see the 4 propellers. Looks like an antenna of sorts. I see there's a camera on the front. I know there's a slew of other technology in there. Go through, if you would. What are the main components of this?
For sure. So we have a flight controller there at the center. It's kind of hidden there. It's the brain of the entire UAV here. We got 4 motors, each with a propeller.
Okay.
They kind of balance it and keep it in the air. We got these antennas here that are used to communicate with the pilot.
Right.
You can also transmit video through them. There's a
Interesting.
camera at the front here.
Yeah.
You can transmit live video to your goggles as you're flying it.
To your goggles. So you're actually
Yes.
wearing like, what is that, like almost like Google Glass type thing?
Yeah,
Virtual reality, maybe?
kind of similar like that, like Oculus Rift.
Gotcha.
You know,
We did a
of
show
that?
on Oculus Rift earlier. Yeah. Fascinating technology.
yeah, so like that, except you see exactly what the drone sees.
Really cool. Okay, so the components themselves, like, can I run out to, I guess Radio Shack's not around anymore, but a similar component store and purchase these components?
Yeah, there's a few stores in Calgary, like Modelland and PM Hobbycraft,
Okay, so
where
there's
you can
places.
buy each of these components and assemble it yourself.
So what's something like this worth? I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of hours into it, labor aside, component-wise. I mean, how much money are we talking about?
This one here is about $300, all the parts together, if you assemble it yourself.
Okay.
However, if you want to buy a pre-built one
Yeah.
and don't want to get into the mess of assembling and testing it yourself, it'll run you about $600.
Really? So you can go to like a toy store essentially, or stop by somewhere at the mall and you're ready to go. Those are RC controlled, or would that be like phone and tablet controlled?
Yeah, there's various versions available, and that's why the price varies a lot.
Okay.
You can have them controlled by your phone. You can have autonomous ones that control themselves, and you can
Which is okay. That's fascinating to me. I mean, like, is an artificially intelligent, or I guess autonomous? They're two different things, to be clear.
Yeah.
Is that sort of like the dream drone right now? Like, where do you think the technology is heading? If you could have the perfect drone, what tech does it have? What can it do?
Yeah, for sure. That's exactly where it's headed right now. Is autonomous robots that fly with many sensors attached to them, and that's where you can get into practical uses with them. You can send them into the air, and you can have them search for people automatically. You can have them deliver supplies automatically. You don't need a human pilot. You just press a button and it goes.
So this is, search and rescue obviously at the forefront, I would think, of autonomous, for peaceful means, which is, a good thing. How exactly does it work? How does the camera recognize that that's a human being and all the rest of it? I know I'm a layman, bear with me, if you would. Like, how does all that come together?
So there's many different sensors that are integrated usually.
Yeah.
The main one is a thermal camera.
Okay.
And it can spot people.
Makes sense.
It can also there's sometimes computers mounted in these things, and they analyze the image data, and they can locate people and certain
there you go.
objects.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing, man. That's fascinating stuff. Folks, we're going to jump to a quick break. Stay with us. We'll be right back.